Welcome guys to my new video. My dear technician Jedizard. One of my customer brought this phone to me. My dear technician, if you check the phone very well, you'll see that this is iPhone 13, not 13 Pro, not 13 Pro Max. This is just iPhone 13. My dear technician, if you check the screen very well, you see that the screen is blinking green and is also with line. If you check the screen, you'll see lines on the screen. My dear technician, I asked the owner what really happened to the phone. He told me that after updating the phone, I mean software update, the phone changed the screen to this color. My dear technician, I was happy because it's going to work. But if it is not from the software update, my dear technician, sometimes it may not work depending on the issue. So with that time wasted, let me start working on the phone. The first thing, I took my time to unscrew the two bolts. Very, very important. Take your time to do so. I asked my customer, have they opened this phone before? He told me no, that since they bought the phone, they have not worked on the phone before. I mean, they have not opened this phone before. I was like, wow, okay, sorry, it's going to take me some times to use my locally tools to open this phone. By the technician, the method I will show you will help a lot of technicians, both the one that have the tools and those who don't have the tools to open iPhone. But you have to take time like me. If you don't take time like me, you will end up spoiling the phone. Please, I beg of you, take time like me. My dear technician, you may ask Father Joe, what is that small thing that you're using to drag up the screen? By the technician, the thing is available in the market. If you go to the market, you will see it's available. Just go to phone shop where they are selling phone parts, screen, tools. You will see it. Just go there and get it. At least get this one. It will help you. So the first thing, I use the small tools to drag up. You may ask, Father Joe, why do you use it to drag up first? I use it to drag up first because I want to be sure if the adhesive is still strong like that. So when I try to drag up, I discover that it's not even moving, meaning that the adhesive is very, very strong. So I'm going to inject my chemical. Please get chemical to inject. Make sure you do it carefully. Do not apply so much. If not, you're going to damage the screen. My dear technician, you also need another tools, which is the sharp objects. You need sharp object like a razor is very, very important so that you'll be able to put in between and then drag it up. Okay, just put in between and then pull it up, and it's going to remove the screen. Make sure that you apply your chemical. Just apply your chemical. Take your time to do this. You don't need to rush. My dear technician, you can see I forwarded some of this because of time. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, that's why I forward some part of it. Sorry guys for that. If you want me to do a video about opening iPhone, step-by-step process how you can do that, you can let me know in the comment section right now, so that whenever I'm doing my new video, I'll just do a separate video showing you guys step-by-step process how you can open iPhone. Okay, so let's continue guys, no time to waste. At the technician, sorry guys for forwarding. The video is long, that is why, and I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I'm forwarding this. Please, sorry for that. If you want me to do a separate video, please let me know right now in the comment section. I'll do a separate video explaining, because opening iPhone, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. A slight mistake, a small mistake can break the screen. Please take notes. My dear technician, check this out. I have been able to successfully remove the screen from the main body of the phone. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. Check the inside. Check this out. So what my customer told me was true. They have not worked on this phone before. You can see everywhere here is clean. I mean clean. My dear technician, I mean clean. So you have to be very, very careful. So I was happy. So the next thing is for us to go display and check. My dear technician, so I have to detach the screen from the main body of the phone. Check this out. I carefully remove the bolt. Please, you have to be very, very careful with the camera, with everything on this phone. You have to be very, very careful. As a technician, I carefully remove it. Check this out. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. So this is the screen and I have to start work. My technician, like I said before, it may work, it may not work. If the problem was from the software update, it will work, but if not, it will not work. You may ask, Father Joe, why the screen will not work. Now let me explain. The screen will not work because the screen itself is not working. Like the screen itself is not good. Okay? According to the customer, he told me that after updating the phone, if the main problem of the screen is after updating the phone, it will work because I'm going to do a jumper. I'm going to send voltage to a particular pin and the issue will be solved. But if I send the voltage to a particular pin and it's still not working, meaning that the screen itself is not good, so I have to change the screen and it will work. That's all. So guys, right now I want to scrape the whole of this place so that I'll be able to see where to do the jumper. So without time wasted, let me do that. If you want to learn more about this, you're free. You can come for my physical class. I will expatiate a whole lot for you because I really want you to understand. Okay. Most of my videos, I don't post it online. So if you want to learn more, you can come for my physical class and enjoy a whole lot. Okay. Without time wasted, let's continue. So guys, after taking time to scrape, the next thing is for me to do the jumper. So right now, I want to do the jumper to fix the error. Have in mind that the jumper I want to do now, you can see the exactly point, right? For some, like iPhone 14, if you try this, it's not going to work. So iPhone 14 have its own jumper point. So don't try this with iPhone 14. Don't try it with 13 Pro. 13 Pro, you can't use this point, okay? It's not going to work. 13 Pro Max is not still going to work, okay? So after doing the jumper and I tested it, it's still not working, guys. So I have to stop. My technician check this out. You can see it's not working after I fixed the phone. So the only way to fix this right now is to change the screen. The screen is not working. You may ask, Father Joe, why don't you check other components? The problem is not from the main PCB. The problem is just from the screen. If you check the phone is a new phone, can see very well the phone is a new phone. They have not worked on the phone before, so this is not a software issue. My technician, please take note. There are some times you try and it works. There are some times you try and it does not work. Okay, so when this happens, just get a new screen. Okay, then copy the true tone, everything, or you can just remove the IC from the old screen, then put in the new screen and you're good to go. Everything works. Thank you. Bye for now.